If you don't mind, I have one for you.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is from England. Mother is left red-faced after her daughter, 5, takes a bottle of lubricant to school instead of hand sanitizer, and even shares it with her friends. Tried it as smooth and shared it with all her friends.
Oh,
Lord.
Oops. Odd news. You have a couple kids, Vince, young ones. So this one's for you. This is from France. I gotta, with a straight face, say this. School asks parents to stop throwing late kids over closed gate. Whoa! Look out!
oh man! Go out for the pass.
An elementary school in France put up a pair of posters outside their fence with an unusual request for parents: don't throw late students over the closed gate. And there's a picture of wee. Wow.
I thought we made our kids tough.
Ooh.
Or the
Sweetie,
yarder.
sweetie, do your homework. If not, okay. I got a vision of these kids fly. Catch him. Catch you. No, but okay, all right. This is in New Jersey. Lifeguard drops prosthetic leg to rescue driver of sinking SUV. I guess he got a leg up on the competition, but an off-duty...
I guess so.
Good for him. An off-duty lifeguard in New Jersey is being hailed as a hero after he set his prosthetic leg to jump into the Newark Bay and rescue. Well, good for you, sir. Yeah, I made a joke, but it's now funny. Good for you.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just unusual news that we're
Maybe used it for a flotation device to help everybody out.
I guess so.
There
Okay.
you go, Dan. There you go.
Here's a headline you just don't see every day. Speaking of drinks, world's fastest bourbon to take flight in a Harrier jet during aging. A Maryland distillery and a California aviation company are teaming to make the world's fastest bourbon by aging the liquor in a Harrier jet traveling at 700 miles per hour. I hope the pilot isn't drinking it. That's all that I can say. I don't get it, but okay.
They want to scare it into maturity.
I guess so. Drink fast. Okay, no. A bear has been relocated after repeated snack runs at a California store. I think his favorite was Snickers, too. I'm not really sure, but okay. Anyway. And this is
Twix, Steve. Twix.
Right. U.S. selection brings internet fame to Japanese mayor named Joe Biden. Jobaiden.
Oh, God.
Good for him. Joe Biden. Jobaiden. Joe Biden. He spell his name Joe Biden. Okay, well, why not? Okay, this is in Massachusetts. This is actually clever. Massachusetts man plants Christmas trees in potholes.
Oh boy!
A man fed up with local potholes decided to take matters in his own hands by planting trees. And well, it looks
Imagine
better.
hitting one of those in the street.
Yeah, you'd be driving along. Tree.
Boom! What's that?
Filed a report. Hey, is this Allstate? I hit a tree. I hit a Christmas tree.
I got a pine cone stuck in my windshield wiper.
I know, really, yeah.